Hey everybody, the weekend is here. Ryan Breton here to talk about the snowstorm on the way for late Sunday through Monday. This is going to be a long duration storm, but the heaviest of it is overnight Sunday night into Monday morning. And then snow will continue at a lighter pace off and on, probably into Monday evening in spots. This is more than a 24-hour storm, in some cases close to 30 or 36 hours from first flake to last flake. As far as the timing goes on Sunday, if you are in southern Maine, the snow begins between noon and 3 o'clock from about Portland south, then between 3 and 6 o'clock in a lot of central and mid-coast Maine, and then after 6 o'clock in eastern and northern Maine, even later than that, far north. If you want to go out and watch the Patriots, and if you're south of about Augusta, the way home's going to be snowy as the timing looks now. As far as the snowfall amounts go, we have increased them. The primary reason for that, the cold air. Typically about an inch of liquid produces 10 inches of snow. But in this case, the cold air can really fluff and powder up the snowfall. So there's less moisture content, but more snow that falls. That means the snow you shovel won't be any heavier. In fact, if we had a foot of very wet, heavy snow, that'd be a pain to shovel. In this case, a foot of powdery, fluffy, champagne-like snow probably isn't a back-breaking snow to shovel. It'll be a pain to get rid of, but not to the extent you're throwing out your back because it's so heavy to move around. A foot to a foot and a half south of Route 2, a lot of southern and central Maine. The best chance for any higher amounts, southern Maine into the seacoast of New Hampshire. Then 8 to 12 inches through most of the mountains, greater Bangor. Amounts taper in northern Maine where there should be considerably less moisture. Stay safe, stay warm, follow updates through the weekend, and go Patriots.